Welcome all to Off the Cuff with Namrata, and today we talk about the art of conversation, be it with a friend or a stranger or oneself or even nature, I'll say. And it is about perceptions. And I have a very interesting guest, Rajiv Nanda, here with me. Rajiv, welcome to Off the Cuff.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely, my pleasure. Rajiv Nanda is a technologist and author of multiple books, both fiction and non-fiction. His blogs are available on his website rnanda.com. He has a YouTube channel and podcast called The Lie Lama.
Yes.
Lie is Lie, not the Lie Lama, but the Lie Lama.
Play on
And
words.
he's a techie by heart and writer by hobby. So I will say you're quite an anomaly here in the tech industry. Your storytelling is not just catering to the tech world. You have a strong right brain also.
Thank you.
A lot
Thank
of
you.
people write a lot of tech reports and books, but you getting into the world of fiction and emotion and human connections is wonderful, and
Thank
it's lovely to be talking to you today.
Thank you.
So tell me, Rajiv, a little bit about your childhood. Any incident that shaped you as an adult?
Yes, and I talk about that incident in this book called
Okay.
Conversations.
Uh-huh.
So this was actually, when they say that
Hmm.
you see the death so close,
Yes.
it teaches you how to live.
Mhm.
So this was an accident that happened. I used to go to my college in Jalandhar,
Uh-huh.
and from a small town called Fagwada.
हाँ.
And,
पंजाब से हो.
yes,
हाँ जी.
from the Punjab, yes.
Right.
And so,
Ah.
we used to typically take that morning buses
Hmm.
to the college.
Hmm.
And so the accident happened where, the bus that I was in
Hmm.
was rammed by another bus, from the back.
Hmm.
And both the buses kind of deviated.
Hmm.
This is on a bridge, and people can even today, if they visit Punjab, they can. The place is called Chedu, very small village, and there's a small bridge.
Hmm.
So our driver, somehow
Hmm.
slammed on the brakes, and our bus kind of, was on the left side with one wheel.
Hmm.
After breaking the railing.
Yeah.
But I think the other guy lost the control,
Hmm.
and the bus fell down in the in the river bed.
Yeah.
And it kind of, when it fell, fell like inverted. And the only survivor on the bus was about a 3-month-old child,
Oh.
in his or her mother's arms.
Hmm.
That had a very, very big impact on me. So because it could have been both.
बिल्कुल कोई भी हो सकता था.
कुछ भी हो सकता था, right?
कुछ भी हो सकता.
So that's when I started reflecting on, the purpose of life. Why am I here?
Hmm.
I had, the interesting fact is that I had actually boarded the bus that fell down.
Hmm. Oh.
But at the last moment I said, let me take the other one because, there were a couple of empty seats.
देखो.
So
Yeah.
that, kind of
Hmm.
taught me
Hmm.
how to look at life.
I can understand, and it resets your thinking. कि
Yes.
अगर ये हो जाता मेरे साथ तो क्या होता है, और आगे you had to live further.
Yes.
And that's what destiny is all about. But
Yeah.
and obviously you were very young. You said you were in college.
Yes.
तो
Yeah,
वो
I was
वैसे भी
very young.
impressionable
Yes.
ज़्यादा
Maybe
होता
around
है.
17 or 16.
हाँ तो
Yeah.
काफी छोटे थे
Yeah.
और बट देखिए something happened and it's not
Trying
in
to
our
find the purpose of life.
पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. बिल्कुल वहां से आपका डायरेक्शन हुआ. तो लिखना कब आपने शुरू किया और फिक्शन में कैसे आया? बिकॉज
Actually, जब मैं काफी इंट्रोवर्ट था
अच्छा,
बचपन से.
अच्छा.
So
हाँ.
so I would write for
हाँ.
the school की magazine,
Okay.
and then later on college magazine.
Hmm.
So writing has been my flair, more to express my thoughts. क्योंकि
Okay.
अभी तो फिर भी मैं बोल लेता हूँ.
Hmm.
But people who know me from my childhood, I would not open my mouth in a setting.
Oh, okay.
So
Ah.
the only way I think I could express my thoughts or actually introspect and think was by writing. तो it came I think naturally. मैंने कोई effort नहीं किया कि मेरे को writer बनना है नहीं बनना है और I just कोई आता है दिमाग में शुरू कर देता हूँ लिखना.
Okay, yeah, you're making it seem easy. पर वैसे भी creativity का कुछ कह नहीं सकते कि यहाँ से आता है.
Yes,
वो बस आ
yes.
जाता है,
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
But I went to your website rnanda.com
Yes.
and you have a lot of stuff there, you know,
Yeah,
for
everything is
techies
there.
also. Like I said, he's in the tech field, so do check out rnanda.com.
Yeah.
And वहाँ पर, you know, you have your books available.
Yes,
Like you have
everything.
2 right now,
Yes,
the
yeah.
book Conversations and
And
Rise also.
Yes.
And you have another book, AI.gov, which was on
that's a
Kindle.
book. हाँ. That's more
yeah,
like a
yeah,
short
yeah.
story, not a book. हाँ.
Right. And which I read, but very interesting thought that, you know, AI takes over the budget making process of the entire world, I'll say.
Yeah.
I thought that would be so nice if that can happen. But then, you know, in the end, it's
So
difficult.
there's a backstory behind that story.
Okay.
You know, I actually
हाँ.
मैं एक science fiction novel पे almost 2010 से काम कर रहा हूँ. So I completed actually अभी last year. So hopefully, you know, maybe I can come back to your shows जब वो publish होगा इस साल.
बिल्कुल.
But the तो हुआ क्या था कि you know around 2017 AI has been my passion from like you know way back.
Okay.
And so लेकिन you know I started thinking about you know I should pivot to AI
हाँ.
क्योंकि you know I was at the juncture of my career and everything कि this is a time when I can pivot. Because otherwise you're stuck in a corporate and you know I was with Intel, I left Intel, then I you know came to Agilent. So I used that opportunity to you know pivot. तो and while I was working ये जो मैं novel पे लिख रहा हूँ तो I got some that वो कहते हैं ना writer block.
हाँ होता है.
तो वो story बन ही नहीं रही है. You know
अच्छा.
characters are not speaking to me. But then this idea kept you know bubbling up. It was like troubling me like anything कि यार यहाँ तो मुझे तो लिख या मुझे जाने दे. So I came up with this idea कि यार what if we create an AI to you know run our government that will root out all corruption and all that. So
That's great.
so वो अभी जो dodge चल रहा है वो I think वो
exactly all the you know.
Yeah, so this is a short story on that.
Very nice. Yeah, please check that you know the website out. And I've been reading your book Conversations. You know, I was he was nice enough to lend me these books and actually sign it for me. And I found a few very interesting stories, especially you know about the Truth Club, which
Yes.
you start, which is a hard one.
Yes, very
you
hard
know, for
one.
everybody to just speak. You know, just open truth
Yes.
with your friends or
Yes.
family because
Yes.
it's difficult.
Yep.
It changes relationships.
With yourself.
With yourself. We
Yes.
are not truthful. तो आप बताइए आपका कुछ because you are into spirituality, meditation, and you're on that course of finding yourself. Any truths, hard truths that you found and you would like to make it public, or just talk about you know how we can you know heal actually.
Yeah.
I'll make it easier on you. So
नहीं,
how
no,
we
you
can
don't-
heal
yeah, you don't
from
need to.
within.
You know,
Okay.
इसी ये
हाँ.
जो मैंने पॉडकास्ट भी शुरू किया ना
हाँ.
सो यू नो प्ले ऑन वर्ड दलाईलामा.com
Yes, yes, yeah.
सो उसका अगर आप कैप्शन भी देखो यही है वी लाई मोर टू आवरसेल्व्स देन टू
Very
एनीबॉडी
good.
एल्स तो मुझे यू नो व्हाट आई हैव डिस्कवर्ड इज दैट यू नो आई हैव ऑल द बैड थिंग्स that anybody can have, but I have also potential to you know be good like you know what everybody you know can be. So मेरे को the reality that actually has sunk in over the you know decades is कि भी I am on a spectrum. ठीक है, everybody is. So क्योंकि आज की डेट में भी you know if you talk my wife कल वो कहती है जब तक वो गुस्सा चढ़ता तो you are like you know
Somebody else, yeah.
Right? So the thing is कि I cannot claim कि I have overcome you know the things that people should overcome to be good life, you know, live good life. तो मेरे को ये realization हुआ है और अभी तक तो you know maybe who knows कि आगे क्या होगा कि you know we keep telling ourselves कि यार मैं इतना बुरा नहीं हूँ.
Okay.
But the situation, if the situation arises, मैं हो सकता हूँ. So there was a very interesting discussion that happened एक मेरे friend के साथ. So we were just chatting, ये जब Me Too movement चल रहा था ना, तो so somebody that got like fired because of some this thing, and in the same way, and the person was saying यार अब उनका है तो है, but I remember saying कि देखो life has not judged us yet, so we should not pass a judgment. मैंने कहा कि अगर let's say आज की डेट में बहुत खूबसूरत लड़की तेरे को या मेरे को आके पोज करे तो how will you behave? I don't know. Right? So if the life has not tested you yet, how can you pass a judgment कि यार नहीं मैं ऐसे नहीं करूँगा? So I think that's where that ये सारा मेरे को जैसे Truth Club में भी यही था.
Okay.
और to be true to yourself.
Yeah, good, bad or ugly. You don't know.
Yes.
And so the only thing that can make us be a little more conscious about our actions are to be a little wary. See, society has its own rule, and morals come in, and depending on which moral is okay with who, we can't judge everybody at our own morals.
No.
So like you're saying, why judge until you are put in that situation?
Yes, exactly.
So I think, like he's saying, the hard truth is, if you're in a situation which you find very difficult to make decisions, you are the only judge.
Yes.
I think that's what he's trying to say.
Yes.
I think that's a good one, Rajiv, I have to say. And one very interesting blog that I was reading, on your website was about dreams.
Yes.
About your, about REM.
REM world. Yes.
REM world.
Yes.
So, do you want to touch upon that a little bit?
Yeah,
and
sure.
What, did you do any research or was it just?
Yes. Actually, वो भी ये, very interesting backstory to that is.
Okay.
1980s में 1984 या 6 के आसपास ये the police करके ग्रुप होता था.
हाँ.
PS Sting.
Yes, Sting. Yeah.
So they came up with the album called Synchronicity.
Yes. Okay.
So very very famous. So I found out that is based on Carl Jung's philosophy.
Okay.
About dreams and the universal consciousness and all that. तो मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा वो. तो मैं तब से आई हैव बीन रीडिंग कार्ल यूंग, बिग फैन ऑफ कार्ल यूंग. तो मेरे को जब मैं एआई की तरफ आया, रुझान हुआ मेरा, तो मेरे को लगा यार दिस इज अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्चुअली यूज एआई टू इंटरप्रेट आवर ड्रीम्स.
ओके.
तो मैंने फिर ये वेबसाइट बनाई, फिर मैंने ऐप बनाई, पर आपको एज अ हॉबी प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा था. मैं डिडंट फोकस कुछ पब्लिसिटी, तो वो भी चल रहा है, मतलब अपना बैक पर.
बट इट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग.
It is very interesting. I'm still very passionate about it because what I have observed, and here this goes back to self-discovery, self-actualization. You can see the theme, right?
Yes.
The Dalai Lama babies, ये books में भी. So I think dreams give a lot of information to us about ourselves.
Okay. Because I think you're getting into the subconscious world of it, and on his website I think you can write, वो जो ऐप है उसमें तुम देख सकते हो कि तुमने क्या देखा है, क्या तुमने एनिमल देखा है या कुछ कोई रिलेटिव देखा है या कुछ, there's symbolism for water or fire or so it was interesting. There are books on it, but it's sometimes it's good to if you remember your dreams, मुझे तो याद नहीं रहते, so to check it out and see के क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारे अंदर. So I think you are on a journey, like you're saying, of self-realization and self-awareness, and तो इस जर्नी में राजीव कहाँ तक पहुँच गए हो आप?
पता नहीं.
पता नहीं.
ये जर्नी ऐसी है जिसमें माइलस्टोन नहीं लगे.
हाँ, ये तो है.
So it is simply all I can say is, I don't know.
Okay. That is the thing. But if you look back 5 years from what you were, 5 years before, from now. Is there anything that you feel different about you on this journey that you've taken now?
Yes.
Okay.
In a way, I think अब
हाँ.
बहुत सारी चीजें जो मुझे परेशान नहीं करती.
अच्छा. Okay.
So and second क्या थोड़ी सी मेरी ये आदत हो गई है कि भी लेट्स से कि जैसे घर में कोई विवाद चल पड़ा, सम डिस्कशन, तो अब मेरे दिमाग में आ जाता है कि ये मेरे को गुस्सा आने वाला है. सो द मोमेंट आई रियलाइज दैट somehow that seems to dissipate. So that's I think one of the biggest thing. The other thing, मेरे को मिठाई वगैरह का जैसे बहुत शौक, right? So I like my wine, I like my whiskey and all. So but when I have anything, so I'm very conscious about कि यार listening to the body वाली जैसे बात होती है ना कि is it good enough? Yeah, I enjoyed. Then move on, right? So it's like I don't get into that. I don't know what the right word is.
You don't fall to your temptations,
Yes,
I'll say,
yes,
very
exactly,
easily
yes,
now.
yes.
Yes, you do once
Yes,
in a while,
yes.
but not that easily.
Yes,
That's what
yes.
you.
I don't go बहाव में नहीं बहना.
Bahav mein nahi hota, which is a huge thing.
Yeah.
You know,
I think
because
that's what
we are living in a land of plenty.
Yes.
And luckily, we are in a privileged position जहाँ पर मिल जाती हैं चीजें and
Yes.
you can. So
Yes.
अपने पे थोड़ा सा कहते हैं
Control.
कंट्रोल होना चाहिए या you have to rein yourself
Yes,
in, I have to
yes.
say. And now talking about your book, named Rise, this
one?
it talks about the essential soft skills for career management.
Yes.
And deals with the differentiating
Yes.
yourself from others who are as good or better than you. So, भाई वो कैसे कर सकते हैं? Any stories you want to share?
Yes.
or
So
conversations?
ये मैं Intel के साथ था. I was with Intel. So one of the key thing जब we took like few of us Intel India Intel Asia जब grow करना चाहता था 2001 में, तो we took that international assignment. We said we will go and help build Intel Asia. So one of the key things what I did was this was more deliberate क्योंकि मेरे को अपनी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी.
अच्छा.
And I write that about in this book कि एक बार when I was working with a consulting company यहाँ पर before I joined Intel, तो प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स में कि किसी स्टेज पे खड़े होकर प्रेजेंट करना या ऑडियंस के सामने, I was really bad at it. मतलब I was like literally जो पुराना वीडियो में देखो अब तो है नहीं मेरे पास, but I was like pathetic. So that actually was a wake up call. तो मैं अपने आप को इंसर्ट करता था वहाँ पे इंडिया में और एशिया में to teach these management and soft skills, leadership classes, because I want to learn them.
Yeah.
I want to overcome some of these things myself. तो वो मेरे में था. तो ये जो बुक है actually this is culmination of my own experience and my own journey plus observation of when I saw कि भी यार दो लोग हैं मेरे peers, but one is more successful than the other. Both have similar technical skills.
Yes.
Both are brilliant. But what is differentiating them?
That's
And main thing I saw was that the differentiator between the two always was the soft skills, communication, presentation, time management. तो फिर वो मैंने जब when I left Intel, तो फिर मेरे दिमाग में आया यार ये I should put them to good use, all my learnings and the classes I used to teach and everything. So बस वही है, these are like more like a primer to essential soft skills that I think all the techies should
good
have.
in. Okay, and these are available on Amazon?
Yeah, they are on this. Yeah.
So you can check these books out,
Yes.
and they are available on Amazon.
Website पे भी
Website पे भी है rnanda.com. Now talking about your podcast, we've covered your book, we've covered your childhood, and now because it's so interesting. I did interview somebody about narrative therapy, and he was saying narrative therapy does not it helps us externalize our problems.
Yes.
तो मुझे लग रहा है कि आप खुद ही अपनी narrative therapy you're externalizing
Yes.
the problems
Yes.
you have.
Yes.
And that's where you becoming you're not internalizing कि मैं खराब हूँ या मैं बोल नहीं सकता या मैं so which is so much similar to what I had talked to him, and it's working for you.
Yes.
And you putting that narrative out for other people to use also,
Yes,
which is
yes.
even wonderful because you have story writing skills,
Yeah.
which is amazing. Now talking about your podcast, another of your creative endeavor called Dalai Lama. एक तो नाम बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, वैसे वो नाम आपने क्यों रखा? And you were talking about fake masculinity in that.
Yes. Yeah.
So
वो भी recently episode में किया।
हाँ वो किया था आपने, तो उसके बारे में कुछ आपका टेक बताइए, क्योंकि आजकल तो बहुत कुछ चेंज हो गया हुआ है about masculine behavior and green flags and red flag and they are interchanging every time.
Yeah.
And we see the leaders these days. I don't know your take on it.
See, ये जो इसका बैक स्टोरी तो ये है कि मेरे दिमाग में कि ये सेल्फ डिस्कवरी और सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन का शुरू से है।
अच्छा,
तो
वो
दैट्स
तो है।
क्रिएटिव, मेरी क्रिएटिविटी जो जर्नी उसी से ही शुरू हुई थी।
राइट।
तो ये एक मेरे दिमाग में, आई डोंट नो कब मेरे दिमाग में आया होगा, तो कि वी लाई, अपने आप को हम ज्यादा झूठ बोलते हैं। सो मैं ये हूँ या मैं वो नहीं हूँ, तो सो वी टेंड टू डाउनप्ले आवरसेल्व्स और अपप्ले आवरसेल्व्स, फॉर विद नो क्लियर कॉन्शियस थिंग इन माइंड, राइट? तो जैसे कई बार मेरी वाइफ के साथ होता है तो वो कहती है नहीं मैं नहीं ये कर सकती। मैंने कहा कि व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट इज सिमिलर, यू आर lying to yourself कि you cannot do it. हाँ, I would rather use the statement कि I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Make it conscious कि भी मैं ये नहीं करना चाहता।
Okay.
Rather than saying I cannot do it, if you have not tried anything, how can you say you cannot do it, right?
Okay.
तो ये तो फिर मैंने immediately अपना एक मेरे दिमाग में आया कि this was like just like brainstorm कि मेरे दलाई लामा एक पहले मैंने सोचा था कि ऐप बनाऊंगा इसकी।
Okay.
But then क्योंकि मेरा क्या होता है कि अगर आइडिया आ जाता है जस्ट बुक का डोमेन नेम और मैं बैठ जाता हूँ उसके ऊपर, तो देन आई थिंक तो फिर मैंने ये THELIELLAMA ये दिस यू आर राइट कि भी एकदम मेरे को लगा यार दिस अ गुड प्ले ऑन वर्ड्स। तो बस वो फिर करके फिर देन आई वाज टॉकिंग टू अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, तो शी सेड कि अरे राजीव इस पे ना हम पॉडकास्ट शुरू करते हैं, नथिंग एल्स, और हम अपने जो हमें बातें हैं वही हम कर लेंगे। तो शी इज इन बैंगलोर, तो मैं उसके साथ अपना वही पब्लिश लगे 1 एपिसोड एवरी 2 वीक्स।
तो आप बताइए हाँ योर टेक ऑन fake
masculinity. See, I think
and,
I think we talk a lot about women issues, which is rightfully so. But I think that even men go through the same and similar struggles. आज की डेट में if you talk to any man, in a household, even if both men and women are working and equally earning, the man's fear still will be, or if the man loses a job, versus a woman loses a job. Right? So how do we deal with that? When a man gets abused, like demeaned or anything in the workplace, versus a woman gets demeaned, right? So what I'm trying to say is कि भी जो issues हैं, whether emotional हैं, whether ये social हैं, they are on both.
Okay.
But they're different. So we have to deal, holistically. कि भी the men also don't need to fake. कि भी I'm so strong, I cannot cry, I cannot be hurt, I'm a risk taker. So ये जो narrative हमें सिखाए गए हैं या सिखा रहे हैं हम अपने बच्चों को, so that's something that we need to teach them to see, hey, you discover who you really are. If you are a risk taker, yes, then please fulfill yourself through that. If not, if you are emotional being, then fulfill yourself through emotions.
Okay.
तो वो हमने फेक जो मैस्कुलिनिटी के ऊपर डिस्कशन किया था, वो एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था कि हमने एक एपिसोड किया था फेक फेमिनिज्म पे,
हाँ।
So some listeners gave us feedback, अरे आप उस पे भी बात करो।
ठीक है,
मैंने कहा, चलो
हाँ।
उस पे भी कर लेते हैं।
नहीं, both ways it is.
It is.
I agree, and I think we are all kind of put in a cookie cutter box. I'll say both the men and the women,
Yes.
and we are told to act a certain way.
Yeah.
So what I got from Rajiv is that try to change the narrative around gender also.
Yes.
So yes, certain times the entitlement that men feel is also given by society.
Yes, exactly.
So society ki perception change karo.
Yeah.
Why can't the women also feel that much confident and that much entitled to doing a certain job? Like we are talking, I think बहुत पहले Hillary Clinton ने कहा था, she was talking to interns, young girls and boys, and she said, okay, she told the boys, you need to do this, and he said, yes, ma'am, I will. And then she said the same thing to the girl. She said, would I be able to do it? Or so these are very minor differences,
Yes.
and hope we can change that, with time and. Generation to generation.
I know.
Rajiv, any last words, and we'll have to leave then.
No, I think मेरा तो ये कहना है कि
हाँ.
before you change the society, change yourself.
बिल्कुल.
तो
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि we are society, right?
Yes.
अगर हम दो जने यहाँ बैठ के
हाँ.
both of us work on ourselves,
हाँ.
society अपने आप change हो जाएगी. So
Very
that's
good.
what has been my learning and journey so far. Focus how you can be, what you think the society should be, and then rest everybody will follow.
Definitely, बिल्कुल मैं तो आपसे यहाँ एग्री कर रही हूँ. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. Listeners, बिल्कुल impromptu था कुछ, and I really enjoyed talking to you, Rajiv, and wishing you more success and more books about your self-realization and your journey.
Thank you.
And thank you all for joining. Be well and take care. Bye for now.
Thank
and
you.
keep having your own conversations, like
Yes.
Rajiv says. Bye-bye.
Thank you.